Hello, welcome back. So you know the Lego Friends 2026 sets are revealed, and so today I'm going to divide them into thumbs up, thumbs in the middle, and thumbs down. So of course every set is really nice, but this is just for fun and this is just my opinion, okay? So first, pet accessory van. It's very nice and cute, and I'm going to put it in the thumbs middle. And so next, the bunny hotel set is also thumbs middle. And this dog treats bakery, I'm going to put it thumbs up because it's a very nice set. And this one, it doesn't have a box yet, but it's like delivery truck, something like that. And that one is a small set, so I'm going to just put it in the thumbs down. And the unicorn cafe, of course, that's thumbs up. And that one is really cute too. I forgot the name, but it's really lovely. And the convenience store, of course, that's really that's really nice too. So next, this is the horse stable set. This is a really nice set too. So let's put it in the thumbs up. And Leanne's house, of course, this is the set that I'm really looking forward to. And the indoor playground is so awesome too. And next, yeah, the fashion show is really awesome. And the what do you call that? The biggest one is also awesome. And this one little like clinic thing is gonna be thumbs down, and the trailer thing, thumbs in the middle, and the popsicle thing, that's thumbs down, and the beach house is going to be thumbs up. So in my latest video, I told you that we had 17 new sets, but it's actually 16, so I kind of got messed up. So anyway, all the sets are really fantastic, and I'm really looking forward to it, especially Leanne's house and the beach house and like the club house and stuff like that. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.